Today, we're unraveling a topic that every gardener thinks about. What are the best natural fertilizers for plants? This subject is rich with potential, touching not just on the types of fertilizers, but on how we can best support the health and growth of our plants naturally. Firstly, let's talk about compost. Compost is essentially decomposed organic matter. By recycling your kitchen scraps, leaves, and yard waste, you're not only reducing waste, but creating a nutrient-rich fertilizer that improves soil structure, moisture retention, and plant health. It's like giving your plants a balanced diet full of all the essential nutrients they need. Next up, we have manure. Manure from cows, chickens, and horses, when properly composted, is a treasure trove of nutrients. Rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, manure also contains beneficial microbes that help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. However, it's crucial to use composted manure to avoid the risk of burning plantings with too much nitrogen and to prevent any potential introduction of pathogens into your garden. Then, there's seaweed. Whether you're using liquid seaweed concentrate or dried seaweed, this oceanic offering is fantastic for plants. Packed with trace elements and minerals, seaweed is known to promote stronger growth and resistance in plants against pests and diseases. It's a gentle yet powerful nutrient source that can significantly benefit your garden. Another incredible natural fertilizer is worm castings. Worms process organic material to produce castings that are extremely rich in nutrients, beneficial bacteria, and enzymes. These castings stimulate plant growth and improve soil structure. Plus, using worm castings as fertilizer supports a circular system of waste and renewal, which is a cornerstone of sustainable gardening. Lastly, let's not forget about wood ash. If you have a fireplace, wood ash can be a valuable potassium source for your garden. It also helps to sweeten acidic soils. However, it's important to use it sparingly, and only if you're sure your soil needs the extra potassium and a higher pH level. In conclusion, the best natural fertilizers for your plants depend on your garden's specific needs and what you have readily available. From compost and manure to seaweed, worm castings, and wood ash, each option offers unique benefits. What's clear is that by choosing natural fertilizers, you're not only feeding your plants but nurturing the soil ecosystem as well. Thank you for watching. Incorporating natural fertilizers into your gardening practices enriches your soil, supports local ecosystems, and helps you grow robust, healthy plants. Remember, the essence of gardening is connection to the earth, our ecosystems, and the cycles of life. Choose your fertilizers wisely, and happy gardening.